This land could transition to a range of regenerative practices that draw down vast amounts of carbon into the soil while retaining precious water and producing nutrient-dense food. Instead of soy or grains, we could feed the animals grass, crop residue, or food waste. This would improve the health of the animals, the people who choose to eat them, and our environment. The steep croplands around the world could be used to grow foods that also draw down huge amounts of carbon. A practice called agroforestry does this by simultaneously growing foods like pawpaw, bananas, coffee, avocados, or vegetables.
Our goal is to regenerate 1 million hectares of land by 2030. Join us to renature.